Well, it's raining outside and it is a perfect season to enjoy with a cup of ginger tea and some deep fried snacks like pakodas, bhajias or dal vadas. Today, I'm going to show you another way of enjoying the rain with some spicy garlicky tofu. You may call it soya paneer or bean curd. My name is Manish and welcome to my channel. On this channel, I'm not only posting some of my favorite recipes, but I also want to share my personal experience, tips, and tricks to make it easy, quick, and delicious. Let's first chop all the vegetables and keep it aside. Starting from green onions, bell peppers or a capsicum, cabbage, onions, green chilies, and ginger and garlic. Now cut the tofu in dices. It should be about half an inch. Sprinkle some salt and corn flour or rice flour, whatever you have. Mix it well and keep it aside. Next up is making a sauce, which is a combination of soya sauce, ketchup, tomato ketchup, green chili sauce, red chili sauce, white vinegar. You will see the measurement and ingredients in the description below. Even the entire recipe is already break it down into steps in the description below. Put everything in a small bowl and mix it well. Now let's heat up a wok or a pan or a kadai, whatever you have. Make sure it is a deep kadai or deep pan. Now put 4 tablespoons of oil and let it heat up. We are going to fry the tofu. Once the oil is heat up, let's check it. Now from the tofu, we'll remove the excess flour and put one by one each dices of tofu into the kadai. Flip it to each side so that you will have this beautiful color on it. It will roughly take around 2 minutes. Yeah, it's done. Take it out on a flat surface dish and let it cool down. Now that you have watched the recipe till this time, I want to give you a bonus tip at the end of this video. Also, do consider subscribing to this channel as it will give me motivation to create such more dishes. Let's get back to our tofu. Now, while the tofu is cooling down, let's make a sauce for this. This will be really quick. Add 2 tablespoons of oil in the same pan. As you can see, the oil is hot. Now put ginger and garlic and green chilies to it. Now saute it. You don't have to cook it for a longer period of time. You just want to get rid of that raw flavor of ginger and garlic. Yeah, now it's time to add on green onions, green capsicums and onion. Mind you, you don't want to cook the veggies, you want to maintain the crunch of it. So saute it for a minute and that should be enough. Now let's add the sauce mix that we have prepared earlier and mix it well. It's a perfect time to introduce cabbage and tofu. Just to give you a hint, I'm adding cabbage at the last because I like to keep it crunchy. I'll stir it well. And that's it. I'll garnish it with some green onions, the green part of it, and that's done. As a bonus tip, as promised earlier, you can use roasted peanuts or roasted sesame seeds for the garnishing. That will again enhance the taste of the dish. Also, if you have a sesame oil, do try this recipe in the sesame oil. It will take it to another level. Trust me. I'll be happy to answer any of your question. Do drop it in the comments down below. If you found value in this video, if you did, please give it a thumbs up and write something in the comments that interests you. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.